and make me a good little bird. Amen.
That's mighty sweet, children. Good night.
Good night, Mammy.
Oh, who killed the bald bird?
Them precious little honey lambs. Willie, you all hand over that book. I declare to goodness, you is too young to be reading that trash. And besides, if you all try to catch that worm, the old fox will catch you.
The fox? What's that, Mammy?
Oh, he's this tall, with big, round, green eyes, and a long, pointed nose, and long, sharp teeth. And he just loves to eat little birds, just like you. Now you all shut them big brown eyes and get to sleep.
Oh, I ain't scared of no old fox. I'm gonna get myself up early and get me that worm for breakfast.
Yeah, and the fox will get you.
Oh, who's scared?
I'm going to see for myself what that early bird looked like.
You all come out of there and fight like a worm. I dare you to come out. Come on, double dance, you little swimmer rats. Yeah, come on out and fight. Come on, I double dare you to come out. Come on, come on out there. I'll get you, you worm. I'll get you. Where's you? Where's you? Where's you? I'll get him. Come on down there. Come on.
There he goes.
Where?
Yeah, go get him.
Yeah, we'll get him.
But there's one thing us early birds gotta watch out for around here. The fox.
The fox?
Yeah, my mammy done told me that he eats little bugs. She says he's this tall. He's tall as you is. And she says he's got great big green eyes. Just like you all. And a pointed nose like yours. And long sharp teeth. Just like uh-oh.
Did y'all sleep good?
Yes, Mammy. Yes, Mammy.
Yes, Mammy.
And just what does my little angels want for breakfast?
Worms! Worms! I don't want no worms for breakfast, Mammy.
Neither does I, Mammy.